So I want us to move along to our next dish because you're gonna love this one. All right, I'm gonna show y'all how to make some of the neatest biscuits. It's you again. You knew I just took that out of the oven. Now, this is not gonna make but 10 biscuits. And you can see that my container will hold 12. So in the other two, I'm gonna pour a little water in because I don't want my muffin tin to burn. All right, now we're gonna start with some crushed pineapple. I think I discovered this when I was wanting some different breads. I was wanting some easy breads. And I really don't need but like a 10-ounce can. All right, so we've got our pineapple drained over here. And we've got our pineapple juice that we're gonna come back to. Now, let's see, I'm gonna need a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And I keep my brown sugar in this canister along with a little piece of bread because that keeps your brown sugar from getting so hard on you. So you see how easy it was for me to dip in there and get that brown sugar. All right, so we got our brown sugar and we're gonna add our drained crushed pineapple along with about a 1/2 stick of softened butter. It looks so good, doesn't it? When I was formulating this, I kind of wanted a quick and easy, like pineapple upside down cake. And I said, well, how come I can't do it with a canned biscuit? All right. So now we're gonna take a spoonful of this and we're gonna put it into the bottom of each of our muffin cups. Looks just yummy already, doesn't it? All right, so the only thing we need now to make it a pineapple upside down cake is a cherry. So I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna stick a cherry into each one and I'm gonna stick it all the way down in there and make sure it's hitting the bottom. Because when we take our biscuits out, we're gonna invert them and we want that cherry to be seen. Now we're just gonna take our biscuits. It scares me every time. They always do that. And you can use any brand of biscuit that you like. I love the buttermilk biscuits. All right, so remember a few minutes ago, I told you when these biscuits are ready, we're gonna invert them. So our pineapple and our cherry is gonna be on the top, and you know how children love cherries. So all I'm gonna do now is just take a little of our pineapple juice and just pour right on top of each biscuit. Just like that. So good. In 12 minutes, we're gonna have a biscuit that tastes so much like pineapple upside down cake. All right. Oh, I got 2 of them back here now. All right. I've got some pineapple upside down biscuits. Do y'all like pineapple?
Yeah.
Yes, and butter and brown sugar. Well, I've had them cooling over here, so we're gonna have one more extra treat. Now, I've got to get rid of this water in the muffin tins, and we're gonna quickly give them a turn. Ah! How's that for magic?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, there you go. Let's get you that pretty one. Isn't it good?
Uh-huh.
So until next time, to all you children, big and small, I send y'all love and best dishes from my kitchen to yours.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.